Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Cozy Decor. So guys, today we are sharing kitchen design ideas that are made for real home and real daily life. These kitchen are simple, calm and comfortable to use. Each design you see in this video has a different look, but all of them focus on ease, balance and a cozy feelings. A kitchen is not just a place for cooking, it is a space where the day begins and often ends. It is where routines happen, conversation start and simple moments and shared. That is why a kitchen should always feel welcoming and easy to move around in. If you enjoy watching calm and cozy home inspiration like this, guys, to support the channel by like the video and subscribe to Cozy Decor. Your support help us bring more simple and useful ideas for everyday homes. Now let's look at the design in this video. Some kitchens are compact and planned for small spaces. Some are open and spacious with more freedom in layout. But every kitchen here focuses on smart planning and smooth movement. When everything is placed properly, daily work feels lighter. You might notice that many kitchens avoid heavy design. They use clean cabinets, simple finishes and neat surfaces. This makes the kitchen feel open and fresh. Simple designs are also easier to clean and maintain in the long run. Color selection plays an important role in how a kitchen feels. Soft and neutral shades help create a calm atmosphere. Light color reflect more light and make the space feel bigger. That is why these shades work well for both small and large kitchens. Some kitchens also use warm tone to add comfort. Natural finishes bring a soft and homely feeling. They help balance the modern look with warmth. This mix of simplicity and warmth makes the kitchen feel more personal. Storage is one of the most important part of kitchen design. You can see many smart storage ideas in this kitchen. Tall cabinet, deep drawers and hidden spaces help keep things organized. When storage is planned well, the kitchen always looks clean. Open shelves are also used in some designs. They make the kitchen feel open and friendly. Daily items are easy to reach and small decor pieces and character. A few plant of jars can instantly change the mood of the space. Lighting changes how a kitchen feels throughout the day. Soft lighting creates a relaxed and cozy mood. Bright task lighting helps while cooking and cleaning. A balance of both makes the kitchen comfortable at all times. You might also notice how well the movement is planned. The space between the stove, sink and storage areas feels natural. This makes cooking smooth and less tiring. Good flow is a key part of a practical kitchen. Many kitchens here feel clutter free. There are no extra elements or heavy decorations. Everything has its one place. A clean and organized kitchen always feels more peaceful. Countertops also play a big role in the overall look. Some kitchens use smooth and simple counters. Others use slightly textured finishes for a natural touch. Both styles work well when paired with clean cabinets. Ventilation is another detail that matters. Good airflow keeps the kitchen fresh and comfortable. Window, chimneys and open layouts help a lot. A well-ventilated kitchen always feel lighter. Small kitchens and careful planning, simple layouts and smart storage save space. Light color and clean lines make small kitchens feel bigger. Even a compact kitchen can feel stylish and functional. Large kitchens offer more freedom. They allow extra counters and storage options. This kitchen are great for families who enjoy cooking together. They feel open, relaxed and comfortable. Many of the kitchen so here are budget friendly. Good design does not always need expensive material. Simple cabinets, proper lighting and clean layouts can look premium. It is about smart choice. Some kitchens are open and connect with the living area. This is designed so how to keep things neat and balanced. Open kitchens feel social and welcoming. They help the home feel more connected. Closed kitchens offer focus and privacy. They keep cooking activities separate with good lighting and colors. Closed kitchen can also feel bright. Both styles have their one comfort. As you watch this design, notice what feels right to you. It could be a layout, a color, or a storage ideas. You don't need to copy everything, just talk inspiration and adapt it to your home. A cozy kitchen always feel balanced. It support your daily routine and make work easier. When a kitchen feel calm, cooking become fun, enjoyable. That is the true purpose of good design. So guys, take your time and enjoy these kitchen ideas. Imagine how small changes can improve your space. Comfort and simplicity can make a big difference. Thank you for watching Cozy Decor. If this is video inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So share simple, cozy and modern home design ideas regular. See you soon with more beautiful inspiration.